Compatible with iPhone 11 Pro, iPhone XS X. Advanced materials deliver 2x anti-scratch defense for vivid screen clarity versus soda lime glass. Anti-shatter, anti-scratch. Fortified glass with surface hardness 9H, the highest level on the glass hardness scale. Incredibly quick, hassle-free installation which you can pair with an OtterBox case for total phone protection. Includes OtterBox limited lifetime warranty, see website for details. Save your screen with crystal clear performance glass. Flawless and fortified, shatter-resistant performance glass avoids scratches and splinters, so the vibrant display quality of your screen shines through. The ultra-thin tempered glass is engineered to endure with advanced, fortified material technology to withstand drops, impact and daily wear. Plus, it's fingerprint resistant, so you can touch, tap and swipe while your screen stays smudge-free. All the tools you need are included for simple installation. Performance glass delivers advanced protection and peace of mind for your screen. Top reviews from the United States. It works great. It's an OtterBox, need I say more? It does exactly what it is supposed to.